Just look at this. The mango bar is lifting perfectly from the plate without sticking at all. That means the texture turned out absolutely perfect. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. Today I am going to show you how I make this delicious mango bar at home. So let's get started. First I am taking 3 raw mangoes. Now I will peel off the skin completely. Friends, try to use slightly tangy raw mangoes for this recipe. It gives the perfect sweet and sour balance. Now cut the mangoes into small pieces. Smaller pieces cook faster and become easier to mash later. You can already smell that fresh tangy mango aroma. Now I am taking some water in a bowl. Now I am adding the mango pieces into clean water and washing the mango pieces really well. Washing helps remove any dirt and keeps the flavor fresh and clean. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. Your comments really inspire me to make new recipes. Now I am transferring the mango pieces in a pan, adding 1 cup of water. Now I will let it boil slowly. After a few minutes, you will notice the mango becoming soft. Now I will mash everything nicely. Mash it properly so the final texture becomes smooth. Now I am adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chilli powder and half teaspoon of cumin powder. This sweet, spicy, tangy combination tastes amazing. Now I am adding 3/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sugar depending on how sweet you want it. Now I will mix everything really well. Keep stirring continuously, otherwise it can stick on the bottom very quickly. I am also adding 3 to 4 drops of food color, just to make the color look more bright and attractive. Now I will keep cooking the mixture slowly. When the mixture starts leaving the side of the pan, I will turn off the heat. Now I am brushing a little oil into a pan. This helps the mango bar come off easily after cooling. Now I will pour the mixture onto the plate and spread it evenly while it's still warm. Once it cools down completely, the texture will turn out perfectly. Friends, now the mango bar has cooled down completely. Let me lift the mango bar from the plate and show you. And just look at that. It's lifting nicely from the plate without sticking. That means the mango bar turned out perfect. Now I will cut it into small pieces and serve. Just store it in an airtight container and enjoy anytime you want. If you love mango recipes, then you definitely need to try this one. This kind of homemade treat brings back so many childhood memories. Do try this at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you in the next delicious recipe.